If you want to stop killing your peace lily plant or spathiphyllum and end up with a healthy bushy plant as this one, then here are 7 very important care tips about peace lily that you need to know. This plant prefers comparatively moisture-retaining soil. But confusing the muddy and compact structural soil with water-retentive soil is a possible reason that causes several infestations, such as root rot, over time. The soil should be water-retentive, but at the same time should be arable and allow extra water to escape. You can prepare a standard potting soil mix by adding 1 part cocoa coir or peat moss, 1 part orchid bark or tree bark, 1 part charcoal, 1 part coarse sand or perlite, and a half part of worm casting. Mix them all. And it's ready to be used. Sometimes the newer leaves look pale green or show chlorosis. It is a sign of nutrient deficiency, especially the iron deficiency. This plant prefers the soil pH between 5.8 to 6.5, which is slightly acidic. If the soil turns alkaline, it hinders the plant roots from uptake nutrients and shows several nutrient deficiencies. Long-term nutrient deficiency shows a lack of chlorophyll, which is the green pigments of the leaves, and stunts the growth forever. Monthly application with chelated iron or soil acidifier can recover such problems over time. You can use the soil acidifier by Espoma Organic. The product link is in the description box and pinned comment. Spathiphyllum is an indoor or low-light plant, but it prefers low to moderate indirect light to thrive. And for the improved growth and encourage the plant to bloom, 4 to 5 hours of bright indirect light is ideal. Very low light or keeping the plant in a dark place like the corners of a room or in the bathroom where no excess of light reduces the photosynthesis rate in the plant leaves, causes yellowing of the leaves, and ultimately kills the plant. On the other hand, direct sun exposure can burn the leaves, shrink the leaves, or alter the leaf color. So ensure the peace lily plant is placed in a bright place and is receiving 4 to 5 hours of light, but the area is cool enough to maintain the leaf moisture. However, the variegated peace lily varieties prefer extra hours of bright light to the green or dark green peace lily plants. Peace lilies prefer acidic soil, so they are sensitive to salinity and mineral contamination. Their leaf tips accumulate the ions of hard minerals such as chlorine and sodium, burst the cells, and cause the brown leaf tips and leaf edges. So use rainwater whenever you are watering. It also improves the leafy growth of the plant, or you can use distilled water or filtered water. Peace lily has thick roots and they are susceptible to overwatering. Most of the plants die due to overwatering, which can lead to using compact soil or long-term soggy, saturated conditions of the soil. I have mentioned the type of potting soil mix you can use, but when talking about watering, water the plant when around 60% soil feels dry. Also, the leaves wilt when a peace lily needs water. However, underwatering also damages the roots as well as shrinks the plant base. So maintaining an even moisture level in the soil is very important. Check the soil before watering and ensure the upper 2 to 3 inches of soil feel nearly dry before you water the plant. Sometimes we are in a hurry to grow this plant fast as well as get a lot of blooms. And as a result, we excessively fertilize the plant and face leaf yellowing, wilting, base rot, and leaf burning at the end. To keep them healthy and produce plenty of attractive spades, what we call the blooms, fertilize the plant with an evenly balanced fertilizer, such as 10:10:10 NPK or one that's slightly higher in nitrogen. I have provided all the product links in the description box and pinned comment. Spider mites, mealybugs, or scale insects often infest spathiphyllums, especially when the humidity is below 30%. Dry air attracts spider mites. They feed the green pigments of the leaves and, with severe infestation, stunt the plant growth and ultimately kill the plant. Use miticide twice a month at the initial stage. For the severe infestation of spider mites, spray the solution twice a week until the population is in control. Also, applying neem oil twice a month controls other pests and diseases. So that's all. If you want to learn more about houseplant care, then check the playlist that is displayed on the screen. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.